Welcome to the transformative realm of love languages, where the intricate tapestry of relationships finds its vibrant colors. In the symphony of human connections, psychologist Gary Chapman unveiled a profound concept: 5 primary languages through which individuals express and interpret love. Join us on this journey as we delve into the essence of these languages: words of affirmation, acts of service, receiving gifts, quality time, and physical touch. Words of affirmation. For some, verbal expressions of love carry immense weight. Words of affirmation encompass compliments, encouragement, and verbal appreciation. Simple phrases like, "I love you," "You're amazing," or acknowledging efforts and achievements can profoundly impact those whose primary love language is words of affirmation. Recognizing the importance of verbal communication in expressing affection can significantly strengthen a relationship. Quality time. This love language thrives on undivided attention and meaningful moments spent together. Quality time isn't merely physical presence, it's about being fully present and engaged with each other. Whether it's engaging in deep conversations, going for walks, sharing activities, or simply sitting together, giving undivided attention speaks volumes to those who value quality time as their primary love language. Receiving gifts. Gifts are symbolic gestures of love for individuals whose primary love language is receiving gifts. They don't necessarily equate to materialism. Rather, they represent the thoughtfulness and effort behind the gesture. A thoughtful gift, regardless of its monetary value, communicates love, appreciation, and understanding, making the recipient feel cherished and valued. Acts of service. Actions speak louder than words for those whose love language is acts of service. Small or significant acts that ease the burden, show care, or contribute to the other person's happiness carry immense significance. Whether it's doing household chores, preparing a meal, or offering assistance, these acts demonstrate love and consideration. Physical touch. Physical touch is a powerful communicator of love, ranging from hugs, kisses, hand-holding, to other forms of physical affection. For individuals whose primary love language is physical touch, these gestures provide reassurance, security, and a deep sense of connection. The power of a loving touch can speak volumes, conveying emotions that words might struggle to express. Understanding these love languages is the first step, but the real magic happens when partners apply this knowledge in their relationship. Effective communication involves expressing love in ways that resonate with the other person's love language. It requires observation, empathy, and a genuine desire to connect on a deeper level. Identifying each other's love languages involves open and honest communication. Couples can discuss their preferences, past experiences, and what makes them feel most loved and appreciated. This mutual understanding fosters a more empathetic and considerate approach to expressing love. Moreover, being receptive to change and growth in expressing love is crucial. Over time, individuals might evolve, and their love languages could shift. Remaining adaptable and willing to learn each other's evolving needs ensures a continuous, healthy relationship dynamic. Applying love languages isn't limited to romantic relationships. They extend to familial connections, friendships, and even professional relationships. Understanding how others perceive love and appreciation can significantly improve interactions and foster deeper connections in various spheres of life. Understanding love languages is a gateway to profound connection and emotional fulfillment in relationships. As you navigate the intricate landscape of love, remember the beauty lies in embracing these diverse languages and weaving them into the fabric of your connection. We're thrilled you've embarked on this journey with us. If you found this exploration valuable, consider subscribing for more insights and updates on fostering enriching relationships. Like, subscribe, and continue nurturing those beautiful connections in your life. Thank you for joining us on this empowering journey of understanding and celebrating love languages.